WUSA 9 Weather Watch Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
And we begin tonight with that weather watch alert. The storm system that we've been watching all week is finally here. You're taking a live look at wet roads in Northwest DC right now. This is right near Capital One Arena downtown. We're seeing a lot of rain and the wind is now starting to pick up too. Thanks for staying up late with us tonight. I'm Delia Gonsalves. Things are only going to get worse overnight and into the early morning. So let's get right over to meteorologist Michaela Lucero. Michaela, this is really going to have an impact for folks during their commute.
Yeah, absolutely, Delia. Your Monday morning commute is definitely going to be longer than normal because of this system that we've been tracking all day today. Now, we are still watching moderate rainfall moving through our region, but you can see the heavier rain has started to head out of our area. But these lingering showers are still no joke. We are still dealing with some pockets of moderate rain south of the DC region, as well as several areas where we have got flood warnings in these green boxes that you see here. This is including the DC region into Fairfax County as well, including Arlington and portions of Alexandria, mostly just in the Northwest DC region. Now, this is significant. It means that flooding is either occurring or imminent for all of those regions. So if you're out on the roadways late tonight or early on Monday morning, be aware that these areas are already experiencing some of those flooding conditions. Now, again, here's where we're seeing the heaviest rainfall, tracking it moving into portions of Pennsylvania right now. Now, that did pass through our region just a couple hours ago, but again, we're still left with these lingering showers across our region. Now, if you are headed anywhere along I-95 Monday morning or around the Beltway, you are going to be dealing with wet roadways. You can see it right now that it is still quite soggy out there, and this is a slow moving system. So Monday morning, you're going to be dealing with wet roadways. Even if the rain has stopped for your region, the roads are still going to be wet, which means you're going to be dealing with spray from the cars in front of you, and many of us will still be under a few showers. So it is going to be a messy commute to work on Monday morning, as well as quite soggy at the bus stop for all of us. Now, we're going to continue to monitor the threat of that heavy rainfall across our area, but we are also watching quite damaging winds. We have seen a wind advisory come out for our region that's in effect for most of your day on Monday. Wind gusts tomorrow could be up to 50 miles per hour. Coming up in just a few minutes, I'll walk you through our most recent model data, as well as give you a look at what that wind advisory looks like and how strong those winds will be for your region. Julia.
All right, we'll be checking in with you soon. We'll be tracking the storm all night and into tomorrow, as Michaela said. So make sure you download our free WUSA 9 app. That way you'll get all the latest weather updates, including watches and warnings sent straight to your phone.